So good afternoon, student. Today's topic is the logical operator program. Last we discussed what is the logical operator, and I'm explaining each operator in detail with the example. Now these example we started in code block. So hash include. So we started the program. Okay, hash include IOStream using namespace standard. This is the header files. Okay, we start on directly main program int main. So student, please listen carefully. std, this is the variable which is supported for your cout and cin statement. So, and also supports your data types also. So we have declared the bool. This is the data type which is decided the condition or logical statement is true or not. Okay, so it gives the answer 1 or 0. So std variable which is supported to the bool data type. So that's why I'm writing the std double colon bool. Okay, if suppose I am not writing this std colon bool, so it gives the error. So so suppose I am build this program and then run, it gives the same, it gives the answer, but okay, after some program it does not support, so that's why I am writing this std colon bool data type. Okay, so in this program it does not give any error, so you cannot write, or you can also write. Okay, so in condition in your GCC compiler or other compiler also. Okay, so don't worry, it's not so important. So bool data type which is decided your logical operator, which is the condition, both the condition is true or false. Okay, so result is the variable which is stored the result whether the condition is true or not. Okay, so result equals to, the first condition is 3 is not equals to 5 and 3 is less than 5. But if in this program you first of all you concentrate the first condition, that is 3 is not equals to 5. Is it correct? Yes, 3 is not equals to 5. And then second condition, 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. Yes, 3 is less than 5. So both the condition are true. So the cout statement give consist of, you can also write the condition is consist of, या फिर और भी आप ऐसे भी आप अपने मन से स्टेटमेंट डाल सकते हो. इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी टू राइट इन डबल कोड्स लाइक 3, just like in your result equals to 3 is not equals to 5 and 3 is less than 5 is. So it gives in your own words. Okay, so at the time 3 is not equals to 5 and 3 is less than is, means this answer is, which is stored on result variable. So that's why I'm writing on insertion operator result. Okay, so and then again you have to, suppose you have to insert it again, so you must write the insertion operator at every statement of cout. Okay, cout statement always carry the insertion operator, because without insertion operator you cannot insert any value. It is the console output, means it gives the output to the screen, and cin always the extraction operator because it gives the input. So and l, then result equals to, then it gives the result. Then next statement, result equals to, then next condition is 3 is 3 is equals to, means double equals to 5 and c is less than 5. Okay, so this condition consists of the first condition. Please listen carefully. First condition is not equals to 3 is 3, means 3 is equals to 5. This condition is wrong. Okay, false. But the middle operator is the AND operator. So then next condition is 3 is less than 5, but the second condition is true, but the definition of logical AND operator consists of both the condition is true, then it gives the result once, means true. That's why if one of the in both the condition, at least in both the condition, one condition is true and one condition is satisfied, means one condition is true or one condition is false, then it always gives the result. Finally, it gives the answer is false. So the result consists of the false. Okay. So in then again AND operator, result equals to 3 is 3 double equals to 5 and 3 is greater than 5. Again the condition goes on one condition, again both the condition goes false, because 3 is not equals to 5 and 3 3 is 3 is greater than 3 is greater than 5. Both the condition are false. Okay. 3 is not greater than 5. Okay. So also it gives the false result, because but I know you have you give the comparison, because both the condition are false. The definition of logical AND operator always says that both the condition are true, but in this case both the condition are false. That's why it gives the final result is false. Okay. So please listen carefully. So the next operator is the OR operator. So OR operator, again result equals to 3 is not equals to 5. Again this condition same in OR case also. Okay. OR case consists of at least one condition is true. That's why it gives the result is true. Okay. So 3 is not equals to 5 or 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. Okay. 3 is not, so first condition, please listen carefully. 3 is not equals to 5. Its condition is also true. And 3 less than 5. This condition is also true. Both the condition are true. Then it gives the result is true, because at least one condition is true. But in this case, both the condition are true. So that's why it gives the result is true, no matter. Okay. So the next operator is next say out statement is 3 3 is equals to 5 or 3 is 3 is 3 is greater than 5. 3 is not equals to 5. This condition is wrong, means false. Then 3 is greater than 5. This condition is also false. So both the condition are false. It does not carry at least one of the condition is true. So that's why it gives the result false. Okay. This is the very important example. So result equals to, then next operator is not equals to. It consists of only one condition. Okay. So result equals to, first of all check in bracket condition. Okay. Then you have to decide this is not or not is not equals to, because in not condition you have to opposite answer to give. Okay. So 5 is equal to 2. This condition is wrong, but in front of bracket, in front of condition, it consists of logical not operator. So that's why if the condition is false, then logical not operator gives this output is true. That's why it gives the output is true, means 1. Okay. So then next statement is 5 equals to 5. The condition is true, but in front of bracket it consists of logical not. So it does not give us the, so the final result is false, because the condition is true, but in front of the condition logical gate opposite to the condition, means it gives the answer false. So this is the example of logical gate. So now I am going to compile this program, build this program, and then run. It gives some little more time, because step by step execution it will execute. Okay.